Welcome to Inventor's Dojo. My name is Henry and I'm an inventor. This video is part of a series where I am sharing my journey of making my invention, then selling it. We've all heard about how frustrating it is to do this, and I'm doing it on an extremely low budget, while still working full-time to support my growing family and without formal education. To really understand this video, it is very helpful to watch the previous ones by clicking the link in the description. Having said all of that, welcome, and this is everything I've learned.
Hey, welcome. In the last video, I was telling you about how I needed to make my product, but at the time I was completely lost and I just didn't know where to turn. And the Inventor Help company, they wanted $30,000 to work with me, and honestly, I just couldn't afford it. Through a new friend that I had just met, I heard about MakerSpaces or Hackerspaces. And at the time I didn't know they existed, and now I am a huge fan, a huge supporter, and a huge believer in them. They introduce kids and adults to new experiences and skills that I believe are essential to our lives. For those of you who don't know, a makerspace or hackerspace is a place where people get together to make all sorts of really cool things like woodworking, 3D printing, 3D design, robotics, just all sorts of really cool and nerdy stuff, my kind of place. My friend told me about the makerspace in Charlotte. I went the very next day, and when I got there, my jaw dropped. It's like everything I needed to make my product all under one roof. But I think that the best thing about these places is definitely the people. When I first started going there, I did not know the first thing about 3D design, 3D printing, woodworking, or machining. And now, while I'm very far from an expert, I'm able to work comfortably around these tools that at one point scared me profoundly. And I learned all these skills from them, from the people. No one ever tried to charge me a dime. People were just happy to share their knowledge and talk about the things that they love. And for the minute membership fee that I was paying, you really can't get a better deal. I am very comfortable in saying that if it wasn't for the people at MakerSpace, I would probably still be getting kicked out of machine shops on a regular basis. Every time I didn't know what to do, I would go up to someone and ask them. And if they didn't know, they would say, I don't know, but talk to Mr. Gray. Maybe he knows somebody. And that's how I'm able to do the things that I do today. So MakerSpace in Charlotte, thank you so much. The things that I have learned from you are immensely invaluable. If you're in the Charlotte area and need to make something, this is the place to go. They will not make the things for you, but they will share their knowledge and point you in the right direction. And that's all I needed. So go see Mr. Gray at MakerSpace in Charlotte. I am sure he'll be happy to have you. Just make sure that you clean up after yourself, otherwise you're gonna hear about it. I will put a link to their page in the description of this video. While I'm talking about the people that I met there, the things that they taught me are paramount to my advancement. And I will be talking about the things that I learned from them in the very near future, because the things that I learned from them accelerated my advancement by 1,000. So if you're in need of making something and you can't afford to have somebody else make it for you because it gets expensive, look for a makerspace or a hackerspace in your area. They are there and they will help you. But that is all the time I have for today. But please stay tuned, because this is a very critical stage for me. This is where things went from I want to do to I'm actually doing. Thank you so much for joining us. And please subscribe so you can get updates on this crazy journey. And share this video with someone who you feel might need the help. Don't forget to wish me good luck in the comments. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Stopping video. Oh, this is not recording. Ah, you mother. And this is gonna suck if I have to redo this whole